Hello and welcome to our ChatterBox app. My name is Tom, we have Keldon, Ben, and Jacob, and today we're going to be demoing it and showing you what it can do, and yeah, let's get started. Starting off, we're going to look at our login page. At the top, you see the ChatterBox logo. Now we move on to our registration page. As you can see, we have our logo at the top again. And now after we've clicked the registration button, we're going to head into our email, check to make sure that we got the email. We have received the email. Click on the verification link. Boom. Now we're back into the login page and we can actually log into the app. And here we have the reset password page. This is where you're going to go if you want to change your password at all. It will send a verification email. Clicking the link on the verification email will allow us to change the password and make sure that you actually are the owner of the account. Otherwise, if you don't click the link, it won't actually verify you. Here is the settings page. You can choose your theme and also choose your font size. We have a choice between 3 different kinds for each. The default setting for choosing a theme is Pretty in Pink Fudge. We also have Purpello, and then we also have Pastel Dream. This is the weather app. As you can see, we have our current city, the current weather, temperature. Then we also have a weekly forecast showing what's to come in the future, along with the sunrise and sunset for the day. Clicking on the change location will bring this page up. As you can see, we're going to type in the zip code and set the changes. Coming back to the change location, if you don't know the zip code, you can also choose your location on the map. Click the button, shows the map, it'll show what your current location is. Afterwards, you can click on the map and it will change the location. As you can see, we come back to the app and the location is changed to whatever you pressed. In the connections page, we set up a recycler view, which makes it convenient to click on existing, add, requests, and invites tab. Each of these tabs will help you to set up your friends list and add more people if you wish to. After clicking on connections, you can go to the add page. In the add page, you can search by email, username, or first and last. Once you finish adding, you can look into the Requests tab. You see the incoming and outgoing. We can click on the outgoing and click on a delete button to stop the outgoing from showing up to the user. In the Invites tab, we can type in an email or invite via the contacts. This is the chat page. As you can see, we already have populated a few chats. If you click the X button, we can delete the chats. You can also, to add a new chat, click on the plus button in the bottom right-hand corner. Inside of this fragment, you can see this to create new chat. We can click on individually each checkbox, and that will set up who we want inside of the chat. As you can see, it shows all existing contacts. After clicking on the newly created chat, it opens up the chat window. As you can see, we already have a conversation going on between a couple friends. As you can see, we've opened up 2 devices. One is Jacob and the other is Keldon. Keldon's going to send a message to Jacob, and then Jacob gets the message, sends a message in response. And you can see that each of the messages are on the right and left respectively for the individuals.